Hello guys, welcome to Alien Biz. Today I'll just be showing you the basic 2010 Word interface. Let's just start with the basics. This here is the quick access toolbar. You can save, you can undo, you can redo. These are the tabs. This is the file tab, this is the home tab, the insert tab. It's pretty common sense, whatever it says, it's what it does. This here is called the ribbon. Unlike the previous versions, this helps you locate things faster. So if you want to insert a picture, you go on insert and you find picture. Here you can see it's divided into different categories down here. It says clipboard, font, where you get to mess around with the font, paragraph, you can change the indents and everything. Here is the style, you can change whatever style you want it to be. So you can change the color, you can change the font, you can change the paragraph spacing. There's the spelling check, this checks the spelling for you. Here's the scroll bar. This has never been anything different. It tells you whatever page you're on when you're scrolling down a big document. Here's the ruler. You can decide if you want to turn it on or off. This over here is lets you go up a page or down a page. And if you click on the circle thing here, you can browse through things like graphic or the section or the heading, comment. If you haven't noticed, there isn't a horizontal bar. It only appears when it's necessary. So if I were to zoom in like this, then it would show up. But if I zoom out and it's not necessary to have one, then it won't show up. Here, if you right click on this bar down here where it has all these change the language, word counter, and page of one, you can enable or disable them. So if I want to disable the word count, I uncheck it and it's gone. Or if I want to disable the page number, it's gone. You get to decide what you want. Here, I'll just go through the basic ribbon commands. Let me just write a text down so I can show you. Eddie's Alien Biz channel. This over here where it says Calibri body, you get to change the font. So if you want it, and if you want to change anything in the text, you have to highlight it first. If you don't highlight it, then nothing will change. So after you highlight it, you get to choose whatever font you like or whatever font is cool to you. This is one of my favorites, Arial Black, but you get to decide whatever you want. But if you want a good heading that stands out, I would recommend using the bold here. It makes it more bold, as you can see. This is the italics. It makes it italics. This U with the line under it, it underlines it, and you can choose whatever line you want to underline it with. This over here is the text effect. So if you want a 3D text effect like or shadow or reflection or glow, this is where you go to. Over here you get to decide whatever line, like what color the line has to be or what color the font is going to be. This is the paragraph section, so you can center it, you can put it more to the right, you can put it more to the left. Whatever you like, you can do. So here's the spacing. So let's say I have text right under it like this, and it'll just space it out. So if I want it to be 1.5 down or 2.0 down, it'll just make the spaces bigger as you go up. This over here is the theme colors. You can change the theme color, you can change it to whatever you like, as you can see. Here are the styles. As you may know, these change the styles. You can change the styles, you can change the colors. You have a wide variety of options over here. This is the find button. You can use advanced find if you really can't find the command you're looking for. Now let's just go through the insert tab. The insert tab here is very useful. You can insert cover pages, and there's a lot to choose from. Here you can insert a blank page if you want to restart, or a page break. This here you can insert a table, or you could draw a table, but this would be more useful in Excel. I would recommend using Excel, not Word, for this. This here you can insert pictures, any pictures you like. You just have to have them saved onto your computer first, or you can copy and paste them onto Word, whatever you want. clip art, if you click on it, there's already pictures available for you. So if I want a picture of a dog, I will look up dog and it will give me a picture of a dog. But it doesn't have everything, so I recommend getting images from Google. Here's all the shapes you can insert. You can go from arrows to rectangles to ovals to circles, anything you want. These are the charts. There's many to choose from. There's the graph chart, there's the broken line segment chart. There's a lot of things you can choose from. There's a donut, there's bubble, there's radar, or you can just set as default charge, like default chart. Sorry. Okay. Whoops! I inserted the chart by accident. Let me get that open again. Okay, back to where we were. Now this is the page layout. You can mess around with the margins, top 127 left. You can really change where the text is. This here is the size. You can change the size. Anyways, these are the breaks. This is the page column. Indicate that the next following column will break, will begin to the next column. You just have to read the text to know what it is. So if you want a break that separates the text around the objects, you would go on text wrapping. This is the watermark. Do not copy, confidential, or whatever you want to choose from. This is how you make borders. You get to choose what the line looks like. So if you want to, you can choose if you want a thick line or triple lines or 3D line if you like. You can even customize the line you want. There's also shading. So borders and shading is really good using this. It's easy to use, etc. The mailings, you can use envelopes, you can label, you can start mail merge, select recipients, etc. This is something else I haven't discussed yet. These here are the this is the way you want to view the thing. So if you want to view it in a draft form or in a outline or in a print layout is what we're used to here. This is the print layout. This here is the web layout. You can download clipart if you like, or you can get more free templates. You can also replace things using this. So if you want to replace, you find whatever word you had and you can replace it using that. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Check out my channel for more tutorials on how to use basic softwares like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, database. Thanks for watching. Bye.